Forgiveness is often misunderstood. Some people think it's about making the other person feel better, restoring harmony, relieving their guilt, but true forgiveness is not about their comfort. It's about your freedom. When you hold on to resentment, your body holds it too. Tension, rehearsed conversations, energy spent revisiting what happened. Forgiveness does not rewrite the past, it does not excuse behavior, and it does not erase accountability. It simply releases you from carrying it forward. You are not forgiving to make them feel safe. You are forgiving so your nervous system can stop bracing. Today's shift is this: forgiveness is an internal decision to stop reliving what already happened. It does not require reconciliation, it does not require an apology, and it does not require anyone's participation. It's something you choose when you are ready, not to protect them, but to free yourself. Release is a gift you give yourself.